We fast forward to the situation when Musa alayhi salam enters the city. He's in a fugitive state, poor, poverty, doesn't have any family, nothing. And he's in a really dire situation. He finds the two women who are they're waiting to water their flock. But they can't do so because of all the men that are in front. They can't find an opportunity. So he recognizes their state of difficulty. What does he do? He helps them. He serves them. My brothers and sisters, when we are in that difficult time and situation, how often do we think about servicing or giving? Oftentimes we get so caught up that we only care about ourselves at that time. But Musa alayhi salam, even through his difficulty, he has this inclination, this idea of taking opportunities and seizing them and serving and giving the benefit of this. When you are in a difficult situation, Allah talked about it as well. الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ فِي السَّرَّاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ. Those people who spend in ease and hardship. When you are in hardship and you give or you serve in the capacity that you can, amazing thing happens. Is that moment you start to compare your situation, as bad as it may be, to another person's situation who may have less well-being than you. The Prophet ﷺ said one of the means of establishing gratitude to Allah is to compare your situation with people who have less well-being than you. When you're in a mode of service, you're giving something that you have that they don't have. That you have that they don't have. And immediately that becomes a medicine and inspiration for gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when we are in that difficulty, recognizing that it could be worse, and it is worse for others, and you actually have things to say thank you for, that becomes a key for the resilience at that time, my brothers and sisters.